Hi friends, welcome back to Sachin Digital Marketing YouTube channel. In the last two videos, I spoke about how to create a Google Ads account and what are the different types of campaigns are available in Google Ads. If you're not yet watched the video, I will mention those two video links in the description. Please watch before you are going to create any type of campaigns. Okay. And before that, if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit a subscribe button and enable the notification. Whenever I upload a new videos, you will get an immediate notification. Don't forget to subscribe because this channel will give you a lot of valuable digital marketing content videos in future. So hope you all keep support me. Yeah, so we'll back to this today's video. In today's video I will speak about how to create a search ad. Okay, all of you know, right? Already you are aware of that, what is search ad and how does it work. Okay, if you're not aware of that, in the previous video I spoke about entail information about what is search ad and how does it work, where it will appear and everything in the last video, and I will mention that video link in the description box. Please click and please watch the video before you want to watch this video. Okay, yeah, we will set up an search ad today. Okay, so first, if you want to set up an search ad, what you want to do, just go to Google and search ads.google.com. Okay, once you search ads.google.com, a dashboard open like this. If you have already an Google Ads account, then just click on sign in. Okay, if you have not Google Ads account, just click on get started and log in with your email ID. And how to set up a Google Ads account, already I make a video. That video link in the description box. Please watch and set up your Google Ads account. Okay, so right now I have already a Google Ads account. What I will do, I will just click on sign in. So once I click on sign in, it will ask you which account you want to choose. Okay, I already have in two accounts, and if you don't have an account, you can just click on any one account. You can set up any type of campaigns. So if you not yet have any accounts, then click on just a new Google Ads account, and other procedures already I created a video. That video link in the description, you can watch it. Okay, so then what I will do, I have already an account. I will just select my account right away. Okay, this is my account and I will select it. Okay, so once I select this account, Google Ads dashboard it will open like this. Okay, so this is the official Google Ads dashboard account. Okay, you have all the section here: overview, insights, campaign setting. Maybe so this I will explain it on one more video on the coming days. So I will explain. This is very important types of some sections are here, and maybe I will explain it accordingly when I was creating in video, or maybe I will create in one separate video regarding that, explaining all the tools and features, what are the features is available in Google Ads. Okay, let's see. So first, okay, this is the dashboard, and we are, so if you see there are if you just click, I will click on just all campaigns. Right now we don't have any campaigns here. What I will do, I will create in one campaign right away. Okay, before that, you all know, right, what is search ad and how does it work. Okay, I will just give a brief introduction about search ad. Okay, search ad is nothing but whatever the advertisement you will see in google.com. Okay, where google.com, okay, that is called search ad. Okay, majority of the times, that means 60 to 70% of the times you will see search ad in Google. For example, I will open one tab, and I will enter a keyword called cheap flight bookings. Okay, flight bookings. Okay, flight ticket bookings. Okay, from Bangalore or something, any keyword. Okay, once I enter this keyword, okay, what is my keyword? Cheap flight tickets from Bangalore. Okay, these all are the types of campaigns what you sorry, these all are the websites you were able to see in the top of the Google, right? That is search ad. Okay, that is search ad. Okay, you are able to see that option called ad, right? So these all are called search ad. Okay, clear trip, cheapflights.com, skyscanner.com, these all are the website owners, they created a search ad. Okay, why search ad is very important? Search ad is important because it will give the proper information what keyword you enter. That's the one thing, and you will get a lot of enquiries, sales, or leads to search ad. Okay, search ad and shopping ad are the very important and powerful types of campaigns. Anyhow, the shopping ads and all we'll talk about later. In today's session, I will speak about completely how to set up a search ad. Okay, so this is how search ad will appear. Okay, so if you just, I will scroll down, see this is an one more type of campaign. Okay, blink trip, something this person's also created such ad. Okay, these all are the four types of ads is available on the first page of Google. Okay, remember one thing. So in the first page of Google, first page of Google, there is, 10 results will be available. Always 10 results will be available. Out of that, okay, out of that, so seven on the top and three on the bottom. Okay, 3 to 4 it will be on ads. Sometimes 3 to 4 it will be on ads. Seven on the SEO websites. Okay, sometimes it will be 10 or 11. It may be. So sometimes what happened? So seven results it will be appear on the top, and four results it will three results it will be appear on the bottom. Okay, seven on the top, three in the bottom, or sometimes three in the top and four in the bottom. Okay, anyhow, in the first page of Google, sometimes 3 to 4 are ads. Okay, 3 to 4 are ads website will be appear, and remaining all the SEO or these websites. SEO means organically ranking websites. Okay, remember one thing, what is the difference between SEO and SEM is very simple. All of you are already aware of that, right? SEO means we don't in SEO, without paying a single rupees to Google, we are ranking our website in the first page of Google. Okay, here in SEO we are not able to pay even single rupees to Google, and we are ranking organically. Okay, this is what we call SEO. SEM means we are paying money to Google to get rank on our website. Okay, Okay, SEO, how much time it will take? Hardly it will take 3 to 6 months. Sometimes it depends on the keyword search volume and the competition. I know minimum and maximum I can say 3 to 6 months, or maybe 3 to 6 or 6 to 9 months. Okay, this is the time it will take to rank of your keywords. And again, I was mentioning you, is depends on the completely keyword search volume and the keyword competition, and what type of keyword you were choose. Okay, that I will explain on the later. That is how much time it will take. Okay, this is what we call SEO. And SEM, how much it will take? Anybody can tell me how much time it will take to get rank our website on the Google if we go with SEM? Hardly it will take 6 to 7 hours. Okay, hardly it will take 6 to 7 hours. SEO, we are not able to paying a single rupees to Google. Here we are paying a money to Google to get rank our website on the first page of Google. Okay, so you guys tell me, what is here very important, SEO or SEM? Anybody can drop a comment. Okay, you tell me. So which option we want to go? Okay, SEO or SEM, which is the more powerful objective? Okay, or more powerful thing here? Okay, you guys drop me a comment. Maybe I will review and I will reply back to the comments. Okay, so this is the difference between SEO and SEM. SEO, we are paying to money to Google to get sorry, in SEO we are not paying without single rupees to Google to get rank our website on the first page of Google. In SEM, we will paying money to Google to get rank on our website. Hardly it will take 6 to 7 hours, and SEO it will take 6 to 3 months or 6 months or maybe 9 months, and it depends on the type of keyword and the search volume and the competition of the keyword you choose. Okay, this is the difference between SEO and SEM, and already you are aware of that. What is search ad and how does it work and where it will be appear? Okay, search ad is completely will appear on the google.com. Okay, it will not appear on any other platform. Whatever the keyword you will search on Google relevant to that, and the search ad will appear. For example, I will show you one more. So instead of the cheap flight booking, and I will cheap hotel bookings, or you can say buy what is Dell laptop. Okay, buy Dell laptop is my keyword. If I enter that keyword, if you see, right, there is few websites was appearing. One is called Dell, one is called Lenovo. There two ads was on the top, and somehow only two ads is appear in the top. And if I click on second page also, if you see, same Dell and one more website called IBS India, and these are ranking on the second page. Nobody will go to the second page, and majority of the people will come to only on the first page. That's why if you create any type of ad also, the such ad is the most. So such ad or any type of ad, okay, such ad and shopping ad only it will be appear on google.com. That's also it has to be in the first page, then only you will get some quality leads or conversions or anything maybe. Okay, so that we'll talk about later. This is how search ad will work. Okay, then we'll back to that Google Ads dashboard and we'll see how to create a Google search ad campaign. Okay, so if you want to create a Google search ad campaign, what are the necessary things? Okay, okay, if only one important thing is you have a website. Okay, if you don't have a website, you don't have option to create in Google Ads search ad. Okay, you have a one particular website. Okay, it's a fresh website or it's a older than 1 year or 2 years. It doesn't mean. Okay, so you have a website, that's all. It has to be appear on Google and you have a decent traffic that looks good. If you are getting a decent traffic and all, and if you have don't that much of decent traffic also, that's fine. Okay, let's see. So I will just set up an search ad campaigns right now. Okay, if you have any doubts, just drop a comment and maybe I will review it later. Okay, okay, so once you open ads.google.com and a dashboard open like this. Okay, then what you will do, you're able to see a plus icon here, right? Just click on plus icon. Okay, once you click on plus icon, there is an option called new campaign or load campaign setting. Don't click on load campaign setting, just click on new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, so here Google give you some objectives. Okay, Google will give you some objectives. Okay, so select an objectives to tailor your experience to the goal and setting that will work best for campaign. Okay, that is called something goal. So Google is asking you, hey Sachin, anyhow you're going to create a search ad. What is that objective? What is the goal? So why you are going to create an ad? Okay, what is your goal? Okay, for example, your goal was you want sales or you want leads or you want website traffic or product or brand consideration, or you have a product you want to reach to the audience. It's maybe in brand awareness, or you have an app you want to promote, or create a campaign without a goal also. For example, you have a website, you don't have any type of goal, that means you can just choose this. Okay, for example, I have a website, imagine sachingowda.com. Okay, I have a one basic website I created very long back, but I'm not active on that website. Let's see, I will consider as sachingowda.com. Okay, I have a website, so I will choose. Okay, Google is asking you what is your objective, why you are going to create an ad copy for your website. Okay, I was telling Google, hey Google, I want website traffic. Okay, I was providing some services. Okay, I was providing some digital marketing services. Okay, why it is not selecting your website traffic? Just give a minute. New campaign, website traffic. Why it was not clicking on you? Hmm. Okay, why? Just give me a minute, guys. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. I'm not sure why this is happening. Just click on plus, click on new campaign and select an objective as website traffic. Okay, I select an objective as website traffic. Okay, so why? Okay, I was telling Google, and my objective is website. Objective means goals. Accordingly, Google will optimize your campaigns. Okay, Google will understand. Okay, Sachin is created a search ad campaign and he wants website traffic. That means somebody has to visit his website. Okay, Google will clearly understand. Based on that, accordingly, Google will optimize your campaigns. Okay, you have to select one particular objective. For example, my objective is right now website traffic. I have a website, I want traffic to that website, that's all. For example, if you have website, if you're selling something, products called, cloth products or some, natural beauty products or anything in your website, that means what you want, your objective should be sales or sales, right? Or if you want to convert, conducting an event or something, workshop. Okay, what you want that time, you want in leads, your objective will be leads. Okay, so my objective is right now website traffic. I have sachingowda.com is my website, and I was providing some services to my clients, say digital marketing services like called, PPC marketing, SEO marketing, or anything might be. Okay, so website traffic is my objective right now. I will select an website traffic, and then Google will ask what type of campaign you're going to create. Okay, understand, this is an objective or this is a goal. Okay, or objective or goal, what objective or what goal you need to create, what goal or what objective of your campaign, and what type of campaign you are going to create. Okay, I will tell you Google, hey Google, I select an objective as an website traffic, and Google will ask you what type of campaign you want to create, what the objective you choose. Okay, so Google will ask you either you need to create a search campaign or it is performance max campaign. This is performance caps, performance max campaign is added recently. It's a new feature and API I will talk about in the later. And display campaign or shopping or video and discovery. So I was going to create a search campaign. Okay, once I click on search campaign, okay, it will ask you enter your website. Okay, so enter your website where you need to get traffic. Okay, where you need to get traffic or okay, so your website, your business website. Okay, I will telling Google, okay, this is my website. Okay, just enter your website sachingowda.com. Okay, sachingowda.com is my website, and I will enter my website domain here. Once I enter it here and create a conversion action, we need to create a conversion action. Maybe I will talk about later once we set up a campaign. Okay, sachingowda.com. Okay, sachingowda.com is my website domain, and I enter it here. Okay, so then okay, campaign name is completely for your internal reference. Okay, this is for your internal reference, just to identify what type of campaign and when did you create it. Okay, so it's completely for your internal reference. However you want, you can set up a name. For example, I will send a Sachin website traffic. So what is the date today? 8th. Sachin website traffic, so 8th May. Okay, so this is how I was entering my campaign name, because for this is internal reference. Anyhow, after for 1 or 2 months also, I log into the Google Ads account, I can easily identify which type of campaign and when did I create it. Okay, this is how it's for internal reference. Already I told you. Just once it is done, just click on continue. Okay, once you click on continue, so it will ask you what. Okay, next was bidding type. Okay, next it will ask you bidding type. Okay, what do you want to focus on? Already we discussed search ad is a keyword based campaign. Okay, it is not an audience based campaign, it's a keyword based campaign. What is the bidding strategy? There are two important bidding strategies are available in Google AdWords. Okay, one is CPC or PPC. So what is CPC? Or pay per click or pay per click. Okay, CPC or PPC. Second one is CPM. Okay, cost per mile or cost per thousand impression. Okay, CPC or PPC, we okay, what type of bidding strategy we are used in such campaign? CPC or PPC. CPM we used in display campaign, and CPC or PPC again we are used in shopping. Okay, CPC, cost per click or pay per click. Which type of campaigns we are going to use? One is such campaigns we are going to use, and the second one is shopping ad campaigns we are going to use. CPM, where it will be use of this bidding strategy. This bidding strategy we will use in display ad and video ads. Okay, these two campaigns we use for CPM, and another two search and shopping we use CPC or PPC. Okay, so once it is done, just I will select and what do you want, focus on clicks. Okay, so I was telling Google this campaign so Google will giving you a suggestion based on the type of objective you select and based on the type of what campaign you select. Okay, if you click on just click instead of clicks, and if you want to impression share the, so this is all not will come under such, you can just select on clicks and set a maximum cost per click bid limit. Okay, Google will ask you how much you are going to pay for the maximum cost. Okay, how per click how much you are going to pay. Suppose if I enter 20 rupees I was paying for every single click. Okay, it's an option you are, but I will not select it here, and I was telling you Google, so this campaign will use the maximize clicks bid strategy to help you get the most clicks of your budget. Okay, so Google will, okay, whatever the budget we are going to spend on a daily basis, out of that budget Google will give you a maximize clicks. For example, I was spending 500 rupees per day. Imagine I was spending 500 rupees per day to my search ad, and I was telling Google, hey Google, this is my budget. 500 rupees per day is my budget, and you can give me a maximize clicks. Okay, maximize click. Find the relevance audience and give me a maximize clicks of out of this budget. Accordingly, Google campaign will work. Okay, don't select set a maximum cost per bid limit, and you never know how much your competitor was put it that. Okay, for example, imagine a person A is Sachin. Okay, person A is Sachin and person B called Arun. Okay, imagine a name Sachin and Arun. Okay, Sachin and Arun are both are the same industry, digital marketing industry. And Sachin have also a same business, and Arun have also a same business, digital marketing agency business. And these two people are providing the same services. Okay, Sachin, what he will do, he wants some kind of website traffic or leads to his agency. Then he will set up a search ad. Okay, Arun also same thing he did. He set up a search ad. Sachin put it. Sachin, keep it as uh, 20 rupees per click. Okay, 20 rupees per click. Okay, Arun, what he will do? Arun, he put it for 50 rupees per click. Okay, what you guys tell me, whose ad will be on the top of the Google? Definitely Arun, right? Because my budget, my click per day click, budget is very less. Okay, I was telling Google every click you can debit 20 rupees from my account. Okay, and Arun was telling Google, hey, 50 rupees is my click. Okay, my amount per day. So then definitely whose ad will be in the top? Definitely Arun ad will be on the top. That's why you don't select any maximum cost per bid limit, and you select and maximize click. It will depends on Google how much you want to charge per click. Okay, it may be 10 rupees, and it may be 15 rupees, it may be 20 rupees, and minimum Google will charge accordingly to the campaign you select. Okay, so once it is done, okay, then just the next step is networks. Okay, Google will ask you where you want to appear, where your ad wants to be appear. Okay, so anyhow we are going to create a search ad, right? So I don't want my ad to be show on the display network, because search ad is completely work on the keyword basis. Okay, display network means display means it will be work on the completely work on the audience based network. I don't want to be show my ad on the display network. Okay, so I will select my Sachin Gowda website ad has to be shown only on google.com, only such networks. Okay, then Google will ask you which location you want to target. Okay, so Google will ask you which location, where is your target customers. Okay, target audience. Okay, I was telling Google, my target location, I want only projects from Bangalore. Okay, I want only projects from Bangalore. Okay, not any from other cities or other country. So I was running a digital marketing agency in Bangalore. So I don't want to any other projects from Delhi, Mumbai, or anything. Maybe, or you can select anyhow it's a digital marketing agency, and you can select from India. So anyhow in India you will get lot of from all the cities you will get projects, right? So I will select an India, and you have one more option called enter another location. Okay, if I click in enter another location, so you can enter, you have any particular cities, Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, so Hyderabad, anyhow, Gujarat, anyhow, any cities you can enter. And if you have an advanced search, okay, just click on advanced search, guys. So you will enter a location, okay. For example, I will enter a location called India. Okay, I will enter a location called India. So this is my target location. Okay, whole India. So my ads will be up here. Okay, whatever the ads I'm going to create, that whole ad will be up here on entire India. So you have one more option in Google Ads that was amazing. I will enter Bengaluru. Okay, I will enter just Bengaluru. You have an option called target, exclude, or nearby. Okay, so I will just select and exclude. Okay, so exclude means, okay, in whole India my ad will be up here. Okay, in whole India my ad will be up here. Exclude Bangalore. Okay, exclude Bangalore. For example, you guys tell me where in this situation will happen. Okay, where in this situation will happen. For example, okay, if you are selling something, for I selected in Bengaluru. Okay, you can select any other cities in your states or region. Okay, so I selected in Bengaluru. Okay, for example, I was selling some products. Okay, so I was selling some products. I have some shop. Okay, very famous shop in Bengaluru. Okay, very famous shop. People, all the people who stay in Bengaluru, they know. Okay, they know my shop. For example, imagine I have a cloth shop. Okay, Sachin cloth shop isn't just an imagine Sachin cloth shop is an shop name. Okay, it's a very famous college students and men's and ladies cloth shops in Bengaluru. All the people are already aware of that shop. Okay, I don't want to show my ads to in who people stay in Bangalore. And you can imagine I was exporting my t-shirts clothes to out of the states also. Okay, out of all over the pan India. You can imagine all over the pan India. Okay, so all the people who know Sachin shops in Bangalore, because I don't want to be simply target them, because already they know about my shop. So what I will do, I will choose all the location, all the whole pan India except Bengaluru, because I didn't want to be shown my ads in Bengaluru, because already people are aware of that who is Sachin and who is Sachin shops. Okay, I don't want to be shown my ads to Bengaluru. Okay, in this situation you can use exclude location. Usually I don't want to use exclude, but I was telling you you have an advanced option in Google. Okay, then I will just remove it and I will select, I will target the whole India and just click on save. And you have something called location options. Okay, so these three options you are able to see, right? Presence or interest. Okay, this is something very interesting. Okay, presence or interest. People in regularly in who have shown interest to your targeted location. Okay, so what is my targeted location? My targeted location is entire pan India. Okay, presence or interest. Okay, people in or regularly in who have shown interest to your targeted location. For example, so my targeted location is in India. Okay, so I have a cloth shop. Okay, you can imagine I have a cloth shop, so Sachin cloth shop. Okay, Sachin cloth shop. Okay, so people in regularly in who have shown it. For example, I targeted a location called India, and somebody searching from other region called, you can say, US. Okay, somebody was searching an shop called in US. Okay, so for example, what he was searching, best men's t-shirt. Sometimes, so what happened? He was showing an interest to buy the purchase. Okay, from where? US. Okay, from where he was showing an interest from US. That time also there is an if you selected this option, the ad will appear. Okay, ad will appear because it's showing presence or interest. People in means who people stay in India regularly or who have shown interested in your targeted location. This person was staying in US and he was shown interest to targeted location, my target location, to purchase a product. But I don't have a option to deliver the my clothing product to US, because I have India pan India option to deliver my products. I don't have an option to deliver my products to US. That time what I will do, I will select presence. Okay, I will select this option because people in or regularly in your targeted location. Okay, this is I was going to select who people stay in India. There, who people stay in India actively. They are actively researching on some products or something. So I that those people only my ad will be shown. Okay, so I don't want to be shown my ads to somebody shown on interest to the other region or anything. So I will select this option, presence. Okay, presence, people in or regularly in your targeted locations. Okay, so I was going to select this one option. And exclude, you can say people in your excluded location recommended, you can show, you can select it, this one, not an issue. Then once it is done, and languages. Okay, Google is asking you what is your you know targeting language. Okay, so I was telling Google my targeting language, languages. And you how in Bangalore, in whole India, Bangalore, so in whole India, majority of the people will speak about English, right? My target language in English. For example, if you have any other tag language, might be on Hindi also, you can either select, or Hindi you can select, or Kannada also you can select. There are a lot of languages are available. So I was going with English only. Okay, so then what I will do, then once it is done, the next is audience segment. Okay, this is audience segment. You don't, okay, here I was telling you don't use audience segment. The reason why I was telling you don't use audience segment, because this audience segment we are going to use in display campaigns. Okay, for example, already I told you in networks you have an option for search network and display network. Okay, if you select an option called display network, then you can select an audience here. Okay, so if you don't select an display in networks, display network, don't select an audience, because such network already you all aware of that. How does it work? It will work on the completely keyword basis. Okay, so don't select display net. If you select display network, then you use the audience. If you don't select display network, don't use the audience. Okay, so I will don't select an audience right now. Then what I will do, just audience, I will ignore it right now. Next, then you just click on more setting. Once you click on more setting, so this isn't something, you have an option called start ad and end ad. Okay, so Google will asking you what is your start date and what is the end date. For example, 8th May I started this ad, and I was telling Google, so I want to end of this ad on next next 20 days, 10 days, 20 days, maybe on 29th. Okay, today I have selected next 20 days. So the end of this month, you can imagine end of this month I was going to end the ad. Okay, I want to run for this campaign for next 20 to 25 days. Okay, so then once it is done, then just click on more setting, add schedule, campaign, or you can just ignore it, this is not compulsory. Once it is done, just click on next. Okay, once you click on next, this is a very important type. Okay, this is a very important type of say very important type of section. You need to spend majority of the timings here. Okay, so Google is asking you what type of keyword you are going to create. Okay, what type of keywords, okay, what type of keyword you are able to put here, and based on that, if somebody search and your key ads will appear. This is a very important times. I was telling you again, spend lot of time here. Okay, so at least you have to analyze as the each and every single keywords hundreds of times, because so this keywords will give one keyword out of that 10 to 15 keywords whatever we're going to put it here. One keyword will change your whole ad campaign performance. Okay, this isn't very important. Okay, for example, okay, how do we choose the keywords, guys? Anybody have an idea? Maybe you all know what type of keywords in Google AdWords. Okay, I will ask you some questions. Anybody, can you answer me what are the different types of keywords are available in Google Ads? Anybody? Okay, cool. So I will just quickly, I don't know already, I don't want to waste too much of time. I will just quickly explain you what are the different types of keywords. Okay, one is broad match. Okay, one is broad match. So one is broad match, and the second one is phase match. Okay, broad match, phase match, and the third one is exact match. Okay, exact match, and the fourth one is broad match modifier, and the fifth one is negative keywords. Okay, these are the five important types of keywords are available in Google AdWords. What are the different types of campaigns is different, different types of keywords is different. Okay, broad match, phase match, exact match, broad match modifier, and negative keywords. These are the different types of keyword. If you scroll down a little bit and you are able to see what is the different types of keywords here: broad match, okay, keyword, broad match, phase match, and exact match. Okay, so broad match, how what is the indication of broad match? So for example, if I enter a keyword digital marketing services, okay, that is broad match. Just imagine. So bro, I will enter a keyword called the digital marketing services. Okay, digital marketing services. Okay, my handwriting is very bad, huh? Don't think feel. Okay. So I just telling you, so how just I was writing here to understand. Okay, so this is my keyword. Imagine digital marketing services. Okay, so if I don't use any type of indication here, this is called broad match. Okay, if I don't use any type of indication here. Okay, a simple line, digital marketing Sachin. So this is called my keyword. Okay, okay, let enter here digital marketing services. Okay, digital marketing services. Okay, so I enter a keyword called digital marketing services. This is called broad match. Okay, if I enter two inverted commas in the beginning and the end of the keyword like this, okay, like this. Okay, so this is called phase match. Okay, this is called phase match. Okay, this is called phase match. Then okay, this is called phase match. Okay, then exact match means same keyword. If I use open bracket in the beginning and end bracket in the close, that is called exact match. If somebody search on digital marketing services, that time if we use exact match keyword, our ad will appear. Phase match is nothing but if somebody search on, okay, broad match is digital marketing services, we are going, we are not using any type of indication. Phase match, we are using inverted comma in the beginning and inverted comma in the end of the keyword. And end and exact match, we are going to use open bracket and end bracket at the end of the keyword. Okay, so here, so if what broad match is already you have the phase match. If somebody search on digital marketing services or keyword alteration, somebody I search digital marketing services, somebody search marketing services, marketing services, or somebody search marketing digital services. Sometimes like this, first word will go to third, and second word will go to in the beginning, and the third will go to in the middle. So like this it will come, right? That time this is phase match. That if we selected the keyword as a phase match, our ad will appear. Okay, exact match, if somebody search on exact, okay, if we selected digital marketing services and we selected an exact match and somebody search that keyword in Google, our ad will be appear. Okay, that is called exact match. Okay, this is there are some different types of keywords are in the Google. Okay, so what you need to select in keywords here. For example, you have an website. Okay, you have an website. If you enter an website here, Google will suggest you a few keywords accordingly. Okay, for example, I have a website called sachingowda.com. Okay, so I will enter my domain and I will click on enter. Okay, accordingly Google will suggest you what type of keyword you're going to use. Okay, for example, if you see sachingowda.com is my website. It's a very basic website. Okay, when I was doing and freelancing on very long back, it's been around 2 to 3 years back when I was doing freelancing. That time I created a website. It's a very basic. I don't have any idea that time also. I just designed simply that website. Okay. So after that, I didn't active on too much here. So you can imagine this is a digital marketing service website. Okay. I enter a website domain for sachingowda.com. Google will suggest you accordingly what type of keyword users are using to find your website. Okay. So this is the keyword: digital marketers, online marketers, digital marketing company. These are the some keywords Google will suggest you. Okay, if it is relevant to your product, okay, then you can use it. Okay, I don't want to use it here. For example, I can select few keywords out of this. Okay, so I will select digital marketing. Anyhow, I wasn't running. Imagine this is a digital marketing agency. Okay, I will select digital marketing services. Okay, digital marketing services. Okay, SEO services. Okay, SEO services. Okay, SEO services. Okay, best digital marketing. This best digital marketing agency. Okay, just digital marketing agency. PPC marketing, we are providing end-to-end services. And I was into the keyword called digital marketing services, SEO services, best digital marketing agency, PPC marketing. And you can enter few more keywords called um, what keywords we can say: digital marketing company or internet marketing company. Instead of that internet marketing company, you can put digital marketing company, SEO services. Okay, then or you can use some other keywords called um, digital marketing marketing consultant. Like that, you can use few keywords. Okay, digital marketing agency, digital marketing consultants. Okay, you can use types of keywords like this. Okay, so suppose I was just giving you an example. So but whenever you choosing a keywords, you have to be very clear in that. Okay, so one more thing. Okay, one more doubt, maybe people you have a doubt. Okay, how many keywords we need to enter in a single ad copy? Okay, remember, in a single ad copy, you can enter minimum 7 to 10 keywords. Okay, don't go with more than 10 keywords. And okay, and one more thing, don't try to include all the keywords in a single ad copy. So okay, single ad group. Okay, for example, if you are selling some different types of services. Okay, so this is digital marketing. Okay, and some of the people are selling, you have a website but different types of products. For example, one product category was hair beauty, and second product category was clothing. Okay, don't include all your one keywords in single ad copy. What do that time, what you can do, create two ad copies and to create two ad groups. Okay, different ad groups, and enter your different keywords in single. For example, one ad group you can enter the clothes related keyword, and second ad group you can enter only on that hair beauty or natural beauty keywords. Okay, don't include all your keywords in a single ad group if the product is not relevant. Okay, one to one not relevant, don't include all those two products keywords in a single ad copy. Here we are dealing with the digital marketing services. That means it's all in one, and we can enter 7 to 10 keywords. Okay, in the one line. Okay, you can choose a keyword like this, and if you see on the right hand side, you are able to see something numbers, right? Okay, so here, oh, where is the budget? We didn't select any type of budget. Yeah, budget here. Okay, very talkable. So what is the budget? What is the minimum budget you are going to select? Okay, so set custom budget. Just click on set custom budget. So I was selecting here. Okay, 500 rupees per day. Okay, I was selecting here, which is in US dollar 500. So maybe in US dollar 500 means. So what is the $1 means how much? Um, dollar to INR. Okay, $1 means 76 rupees. Okay, for example, I will spend $50 No, $10. Okay, not required. $5. Okay, I will spend $5 per day. Okay, because I will spend $5 per day. So if I spend $5 means what is the cost of $5? $5 means 380 rupees. Okay, 384 rupees, or I can spend $10 also, not an issue. I can spend $10 means per day 769. Yeah, this is fine. So I was going to spend $10. Maybe you can select an current, you can change the currency whenever you're creating a campaign. Okay. Before that one, remember one thing in the first video I already explained. Whenever choosing, creating a campaign, time zone and currency, you have to be select very carefully. Once you set up a campaign, you don't have an option to change the time zone and currency. This is a dummy test account, so that's why it wasn't come under US dollar, not an issue. So you can select an INR. That time what will happen, instead of this US dollar, you were able to see INR. Okay. So I will select an $10 here, $10. So Google will suggest you, give you an estimated number. Okay. So how much and daily clicks you will get. Okay. How much daily clicks? Okay. I will get 23 daily clicks. Okay. And what is the average CPC? I was going to pay three, and Google is considered as 3 rupees as an average cost of daily budget. For example, if I put 20 rupees, if I increase the budget accordingly, so what happened, the number of the estimated data will be also increased. Okay, don't think about that one. Okay, I will put it as $10. Okay, and a daily budget. And once I put a daily, daily budget, then I will back to my keywords. Okay, digital marketing consultant, digital marketing agency, or you can say marketing agency, PPC marketing services, PPC marketing services. Okay, then lead generation services, or lead generation agency. You can search like these keywords. Okay, so you need to be very careful whenever choosing a keywords. Okay, once it is done, then what I will do, then the next step is ads. Okay, this is very important. Okay, you need to enter the final URL. Okay, final URL means where you need to redirect your users to here. Okay, so there are three simple steps whenever creating any type of campaigns. Okay, it may be search, video, display, shopping, smart, or any type of campaign. When you're going to create, ignore about smart, search, video, shopping, and display. Okay, so the three steps is very important. One is you need, first step was you need to select an campaign setting. Okay, under campaign setting, what will come? So bidding, network, location, language, audience, and something, these things will come. And second step is you are going to create, and budget will come under the first steps only. And second one is keywords and ad group. It's an ad groups. And the third one is ad copy. Okay, third one is ad copy. The three important steps. One is called campaign setting, second one is ad group, and third one is the ad copy. Okay, what is ad copy? Okay, once we created keyword spot, and then it will come on the ad copy. Okay, ad copy means, okay, I will show you. For example, this is my final URL. Okay, if somebody search my ad, the user will be redirected to this landing page. Okay, final URL means landing page, that's all. Okay, path 1 and part 2 means is not necessary, it's an optional. Okay, what is path 1? For example, um we are giving an clear idea about users. Once you click on this page, once you click on this link, where you are going to land. Okay, for example, Sachin, Gowda.com, he will, okay, for example, I have a contact page. Okay, so imagine my landing page was contact us. Okay, here I was enter my final URL is contact. Okay, and I was telling people contact for digital services, digital, okay, marketing services. Okay, so you can say contact. Okay, you can say contact. I will select only one, contact, or get a quote, get a quote or something. Okay, so this is good. Okay, get a code. Okay, get a code. Okay, I select a get a code. Okay, they will know that. Or you can select book a demo, anything you can give it. For example, I will give you an option called book a demo. Okay, so if somebody okay, ignore about this one. And so my landing page was sachingoda.com, and my display path was book a demo. I have imagine, I don't have any bouquet demo landing page here. Maybe you can imagine this, this home page only. Instead of this schedule icon, we have a bouquet demo, and I was redirecting a users. Okay, think like that. And this is how. And you need to enter the headlines. Okay, headlines means, okay, it's very important. Whatever I enter it here, it will be appear on the Google.com. Okay, guys, one thing remember whenever creating any ad copy, so what keywords you enter here. Okay, for example, what keywords, okay, enter here. The keywords has to be very relevant to your website and what service you will offer. Okay, for example, you are enter digital marketing keywords here, and you are providing some other different services, and it will be, if it is not relevant, there is no make sense to run ads. Okay, so whatever the keywords you enter, it should be very relevant to your website, and that time only the quality score, what we call QS, okay, in Google AdWords we call it as quality score, that will be increased. Okay, it has to be very relevant to your website. That is the one thing. So you enter your keywords here. Then once the keywords you enter, then the headlines also, it has to be very relevant to the keywords. For example, digital marketing services. Okay, digital marketing, digital marketing services. Okay, try to use keywords in all the way. Okay, even in the headlines, even in the descriptions, even in the keywords part, you have to use, keywords. Okay, so for example, I enter a keyword called digital marketing services is the main important keyword, and I will enter the keyword in the headline, and I will return a description by using that keyword. Okay, by using that keyword, I will return a description also. Okay, for example, digital marketing services. Okay, SEO services, SEO services, SEO services. Okay, SEO services. Okay, oh my God, what happened? Okay. For example, if you're not getting any kind of good headlines, just search SEO services. So you will get some options here. Okay, see, number one SEO service in India. Maybe you can copy. There is no, wrong way. You can just copy the headlines from the other thing. SEO number one SEO services in India. You have to use some different things like this, then only the quality of the ad copy will increase. Okay, you can use one or two numbers, number one SEO services, get a quote and cheap booking or digital, cheap digital marketing services start from 999, something like that. You have to mention, it looks like, has to be pretty. Okay, SEO services, see, number one SEO services in India, and get best results. Okay, rank your website today, rank your website today. Okay, today rank your website today. And then I will use some other keyword, affordable SEO services. Okay, digital market, so digital marketing services, already we put it as starts from only 999, only 1,999. Okay, 1,999 rupees per month. Okay, not per month, you can just put start from 1,999 rupees. Okay, so you can put, or we can say 1,999 rupees also, it looks good. You have to put a headlines like this. Okay, then use a best digital marketing agency, best digital marketing agency. Okay, best digital marketing agency. Then okay, end-to-end digital marketing services, end-to-end digital marketing services. Okay, end-to-end digital marketing services. Okay, services, end-to-end digital marketing services. Okay, book a free demo, okay, free demo or something. Contact us today, something. You have to give a headlines like this. Once it is done, so then you have a descriptions. Okay, so already I told you, you have, wherever you have a option to or use a keywords, you have to use. Okay, that keywords, already whatever the keywords we put it on here, that keyword has to be in the landing page. Okay, at least 30 to 40% of that keywords has to be in the landing page. Then only that ad relevancy, and what we call in Google ad relevancy, okay, that will be match. That keyword Google will identify, okay, that should be very whatever the keyword the person use, it is very similar to that, landing page what he select, and try to use those keywords in, headlines as well as the descriptions. Okay, I will show you one or two descriptions here. For example, digital marketing services. Okay, so for example, sachingowda.com is my agency. Okay, Sachin Gowda agency one of the best digital marketing services provider in Bengaluru. In Bengaluru. Okay. Bengaluru. Okay, I will enter in a sentence like this. Okay, so this isn't very important. It should be around within 90, within 90 characters. Okay, within 90 characters. Okay, then description. One more description I can say. Google will already giving you suggestions. He helps businesses with proven and data-driven digital marketing strategies. You can use that. Then digital marketing consultant, Bangalore, and growth hacker. Maybe no, it's not relevant. Okay, Sachin helps. He helps. We can ignore Sachin helps a business with proven and data. Sachin, okay, agency. Sachin agency helps businesses with proven data and driven marketing strategies. Then you can say, if you're looking to scale your business online, you have reached the right place here. Right place here. Uh, okay, right place. So if you're looking to scale your business online, you have reached the right place here. And you can say digital marketing. Let me do heavy lifting on the growth strategy, or you can say okay, demo, okay, free demo, okay, something like this. So once you enter like this, include popular keywords. If you see, Google will giving you a suggestion how this is your ad copy. Okay, so it was saying an average. Okay, it was saying an average because okay, this is okay. There are three types of four types of suggestion which will give you: poor, average, good, and excellent. Okay. Poor, average, good, and excellent. Okay, it was showing an average because why? It was showing include popular keywords. Okay, you didn't include the popular keywords. Okay, what are the keywords you didn't include it? And maybe it was showing PPC marketing services and lead generation agency. So these keywords you didn't use it here. Okay, for example, if I use lead generation agency and PPC marketing services, PPC marketing service, okay, PPC marketing services. Okay, it was showing good right now. Okay, so good. Okay, right. Okay, already I told you that keywords has to be in the headlines, description, as well as the landing page. Okay, it should be relevant. Not I'm not trying to saying you all the keywords has to be in the landing page. At least some minimum keywords, or it should be identified. Google has to be identified. Okay, it should be relevant to what the product you're dealing with. Okay, that's why some content, whatever the website you have, it has to be some keywords has to be in the home page. Okay, that's I think that's enough. So once it is done, then just click on done. Okay, once you this part was done, just click on done, and it was saying an average how much CPC and average clicks, how much clicks you will get, will get on daily basis. That's enough. And then just add parts was done, and the extension. Okay, so we haven't some extension. Okay, in Google search ad, extension is nothing but Google is telling you, hey Sachin, you create a Google ad copy. Anyhow, if you use extension, you will get some extra more clicks. Okay, you will get some extra more clicks. For example, there's some types of extension. Okay, call extension, call out extension, message extension, seller rating extension, reviewer rating extension. There are different types of extensions is available in Google ads. Okay, so majority of the times we used these types of extension. One is image extension we use. Okay, image extension, and second one is call extension we use, and the third we use call out extension, and the fourth one is site link extension. Okay, site link extension. Okay, now what we will do, guys, we just open your mobile. You have to do this activity, everybody, right away. Okay, just open your mobile and search a keyword called airport taxi Bangalore. Okay, book airport taxi Bangalore. Okay, so if you search a keyword called book airport taxi Bangalore in mobile, you will get their phone number on the top of that, right? So you can identify the search ad. Okay, first only the search ad will come, and here they will mention in a number. Okay, like this they mention and their phone number called 911111 something, like that, the 10 digit of number they will mention. That is called call extension. If you click on that number, it will get a direct call to that owner. Okay, that is called call extension. Let me show you something. So if I use airport taxi Bangalore, okay, this is the keyword. Okay, you are able to see this is what we call search extension. Sorry, this is what we call search ad, right? So this is called call extension. Okay, this is called call extension. You are able to see his number. So you're able to see his number, right? This is called call extension. Okay, so this is the website he used. He didn't use any display path. After the website, if he used something, in the 15 words, that is called display path. He didn't use any display path. This is the landing page, a final URL. Okay, this is the final URL. This is the final URL. and this is then call extension. Okay, this is a call extension, and this is the headlines. Okay, this is the headlines. Okay, this is the headlines. Okay, this is the headlines, and this is the description, and this is the description. Okay, this is the description. Okay, description. Okay, this is what you see here. This is called extension. He used two extension here. One is call extension and one is location extension. Okay, this is location extension. Let me show you one more keyword. Okay, what keyword I can say? Digital marketing services. Okay, digital marketing services. Okay, digital marketing services. Okay, if I enter a keyword, um, okay, so this is perfect. Okay, here this, okay, this is Facebook was coming now. You can say digital marketing agency. I will enter a keyword called digital marketing agency. Okay, yeah. So this is a, okay. This is whatever you are seeing. This is a search ad. Obviously, this is a search ad. So this is the final URL. Okay, this user enter a final URL. Till here, the final URL. So what is this? This is called this, paths. Okay, after the final URL, he put slash and he enter the two paths. How we enter it here on the final ad copy where it is. I think it was, let me show you keywords and ads. Okay. So here, if you just click on this, okay, this is what we enter here. You can enter one or two display paths as an optional, or if you don't, you can deselect it also, not an issue. This is okay. What we call, this is the final URL. This is an paths. Okay, this is an headlines. This is one headline with an 30 characters of limit, and this is the one more headline. This is 30 characters of limit, and this is what we call site link extension. Okay, this is what we call site link. You already, I show you what is call extension and how does it work in the previous keyword called airport taxi Bangalore, and the location extensions also I saw, I show you, right? This is what we call site link extension. Okay, site link extension. And so I told you majority of the times we used image extension. Second one is call extension. Third one is call out extension, and the fourth one is site link extension, and the fifth one is there are a lot of types of extension is there. Maybe I will do one video in future. So review ratings, seller ratings, and prices extension, app download extension. There are a few different types of extensions is there. I don't want to talk about right now. So you already aware of that. Image extensions is also appear like this only. If you open any website on mobile view, there is something you are able to see a small image on the top, right side of the website. Okay, that is called image website. Call extension, already you are aware of that. How does it work? And site link extension, this is how site link extension is work. And call out extension. Okay, what is call out extension? See, in top 1% FBA partners, performance specialist, okay, analyst specialist. These are not the call out extension. Okay, this is not a headline. This is a headline. Okay, this is a headline, and okay, just I just clear it. Okay. So allow us walk through successful causes that power digital growth of many unicorn. Okay, till here, this is the one headline and number one choices when it comes to growth advertising and analytic advertising for Facebook ads. Okay, this is a second headline. Okay, so these persons used two headlines here, and this is what we call call out extension. Okay, maybe 24 bar into 7 services. Okay, book a free demo, contact us right now. In a short form, you are giving them a clear idea what the service or what feature, what special we have. Okay, why we have to, why you have to come up with us like that. Okay, analytic specialist in top 1% FP partners, performance specialist. These are the call out extension. These are the site link extension, and call extension is different. Call out extension is different. Site link extension is different, and the review rating extension is different. Location extension is different. App download extension is different. App download extension means if you search food delivery, for example, if you search food delivery app, okay, food delivery. You can search a food delivery. Okay, sometimes you are able to see a food delivery app. You can say search. You will get sometimes what will happen in mobile. You will get an option called download or install. Okay, in mobile, if you see, if you search a keyword called food delivery app in mobile. Okay, food delivery app in mobile. Sometimes in the top of that you will get an option called something small like this. You are able to see, right? Like they mention install or something. Zomato, Swiggy, Danzo. You can install type any type of campaign that is called app promotion. It's app download extension. Okay, so once we done everything, then just click on done. Once we're done, and you can use the extension. Okay, why we are going to use extension? Google was telling you if you use the extension, anyhow you will get in some extra clicks. Okay, to what you're spending the same money in that same budget, you are going to get some extra clicks. You don't want to spend any other extra budget. Okay, so site link extension, I will mention it here. Contact us. Okay, contact us. So you need to enter a final URL here, Sachin Gowda .com/contact us, okay, slash contact us. Okay, final URL https. Okay, final URL. 1 minute, guys. Okay, final URL. Okay, so then I will enter our services. Okay, our services. Imagine here a final URL of so sachingaura.com/our services. And third extension is called bouquet freedom. This is something called site link extension. How does it appear? After the ad, it will be appear. If somebody click on bouquet free demo or services coordinators, it will be redirected to whatever the landing page URL you given. Okay, same. I don't have these pages in my website, but I was trying to show you. Okay, bouquet demo. Okay. Imagine I have a landing page of bouquet demo. Once it is done, then just click on save. Okay, that means site link extension is done. And once site link extension is done, call out extension. Maybe you can use some call out extensions called affordable prices. Okay, affordable prices. Uh, this is call out extension. Okay, 1%. Okay, top 1% Google partners. Google partners. Okay. Then 24 into 7, you can say 24 into 7 supports. Like this, you can use some call out extension. Okay, then once it is done, then just call extension. If you want to get a call, then you can select an your country. So I was going to select an India. I'm not sure why this is showing on US was. Yeah, okay. So I will enter my phone number here. So we can say 123456789 or something, and just click on save. Okay. So once I click on save, phone number is not supported for this country. Okay, because for this ad account I selected an US region, or maybe I didn't change it on the beginning. I didn't observe it. Okay. Fine. You can say you can enter your phone number. You can say you can select an US only. US, United States. Okay, where it is, boss. I was really tired, yeah. Okay. United States. Okay, then you can say just come as next. Okay, so set a custom budget. How much you are going to spend on a daily basis? 10 rupees. So sorry, yeah. US dollar 10. I was going to spend on a daily budget. Okay, then just click on next and review. Okay, if you have any error, okay, if you have any error in your website, it will show you. See, add extension. You could get 2 more clicks at the same budget if you create a call out extension. I think we used call out extension, right? Contact us extension, call out extensions already we used. Okay, call out extension I didn't save it, I think, yeah. So okay, okay, I think I didn't click on save. Maybe okay, you can just ignore it right now. You can do it on later. Once it is done, just click on review status. Once you come back to the final step, okay, it will show you. If you have any error, it will show you the kind of errors. Okay, okay, then sort out the errors. Okay, this you can ignore it. If you have an option called fix it, that means it's in a small things. Okay, you can ignore it. But if they are telling you you didn't use the call out extension, maybe you can, if you use 2 or 3 call out extension, there is a chances of you are getting some extra clicks. Okay, there is some extra clicks, whatever the clicks you are getting, along with that you are getting some extra clicks and conversion. This campaigns doesn't have conversion tracking set up to track website traffic. Okay, so and again Google is suggesting you didn't select, you didn't create a conversion campaign. So how do you create a conversion campaign? That I will discuss within the next video. So don't forget to watch the next video. Is very important thing. Maybe not next video, maybe next video I will talk about display campaign. No, before that I want to talk about how to set up a remarketing tags, and how to set up a conversion tags. Okay, that's very important. So just be subscribe and hit a notification bell icon, and next time maybe you will get it on a video when I upload when I upload to my channel, you will get an immediate notification. Maybe you can watch it how to set up a conversion. Okay, then you can just ignore it, and just if you don't, if these are the two common errors, and sometimes if you missed anything in this part, it will show the error in red mark, okay, in red text. That time you have to be sorted out. Okay, if you not sorted out that issue, you don't have an option. This option will not come. Okay, campaign will not come. So once you clear that error, then you can come and publish the campaign. Right now, from my side, everything was perfect. Instead of exclude these two things, maybe you can just ignore it right away, and maybe we'll discuss it on the next set of video. Then just click on publish campaign. Okay, so that's how we are going to create and such address. Maybe you all hope you like the video. Once it is done, I think we didn't add any budget here. Maybe see, your account cannot show ads to start running your ads to enter your billing information. Okay, because we didn't have any budget, we didn't add any kind of budget and all. Just ignore it right now and make it as pause. Okay, okay, this is how we are going to create a such ad, guys. Maybe you will all guys get an idea about how to create a such ad, and I hope you like the video. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your digital marketing friends, or who wants to learn digital marketing, and this is a perfect channel for them in the future. And I will talk about all the A to Z things. Here what I know, I can share with you guys, and what requirements you want. For example, what the next video you want, you can drop me a comment. Definitely I will do that video in one day, and I will share with you all. And thanks for watching for this long video, and hope you guys all liked it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit me a like button. If you like the video, just give me a one thumbs up. I think this will give me a lot of energy for me to do some more videos in future. And I hope we'll catch you with the next one more video, guys. I think yeah, bye, thank you so much.